Hello loves, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a brand new oil that I've been using for the past couple of weeks. Since I really love the NaturAll Club Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I decided to give another hair growth oil a try. So I'm just taking down my hairstyle. This was just a failed twist out, and I'm just going to be applying the oil to my scalp before I begin restyling my hair. So the oil I'm going to be using today is by Curly AF. The AF stands for and free, so it's curly and free. This is by my friend Angel Goffney here on YouTube. The actual oil that I'm going to be using from her line is called Hibiscus Love. Now on the side it says that it is an Ayurvedic oil, and it also has the ingredients, the benefits, and the directions on how to use this on the side panel, which is very useful. So this is what the oil looks like. It looks all types of magical. I am going to go ahead and get into the ingredients as I put this in my hair. But I also wanted to share that the oil did come with this note right here that goes into more of the benefits that are not listed on the bottle of this oil. So it does have a twist cap, which I love. So yeah, as you can see, I kind of got it in my eye, but it makes it a lot easier for me to apply it to the scalp this way, because I can open or close it however much I want to in order to control the amount of oil that flows out of the bottle at one time. So I do love that about this bottle. So let's get into some of the ingredients. Now, this oil contains natural ingredients such as coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, hibiscus, of course. There is fenugreek seeds, if you were wondering what those little thingies were at the bottom of the bottle. Biotin, black castor, of course, vitamin E. They're very natural ingredients. So the benefits of this oil is that it promotes extreme, not just regular hair growth, you guys. It says extreme hair growth. It is proven to thicken the hair as well as combat hair loss. It revitalizes the scalp. It relieves the scalp of any sort of itchiness or dryness. Honestly, you guys, this oil is the truth. If you don't believe me, you can check out the website that I'll have linked below. It literally only has 5-star ratings. I couldn't believe it myself, but this oil really is the truth. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that I really massage that into my scalp. You want to promote blood flow to the scalp. This way you can promote more hair growth. If you're promoting blood flow to the scalp while applying a hair growth oil, you're just activating the ingredients in the hair growth oil so that it works. I also recommend spraying your scalp with water before going in and applying the oil. That's what I did with the NaturAll Club oil, and it really worked for me. So I strongly recommend doing that. But that's all for this video. I will make sure that I leave the purchase link to this oil down below, along with all the other oils to this line. You guys can check it out and see which one best fits you. The best part about this oil is that it is very affordable. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.